How to move the text inside Premiere Pro 2021. So here's the type tool. Click inside there, type in a text, anything that you want, and the question is how to move it. If I want to move it from the inside, it's not moving it, but it's selecting it. And if I want to move it from the outside, it's creating another text box, it's not moving that. Okay, so how to move that text? Well, don't use the type tool, but use the first one, selection tool, that arrow. And with that selected, click on that text and you can reposition it where you want. Okay, and if you want to type again, go to the type tool, position your cursor where you want and type some text. Okay, as I move here, notice those additionally created text box appear. So how to get rid of those? Effect controls, and here we have the texts. You can check and uncheck that eye to see which one is which. I don't need that one, so I can press delete on the keyboard. Delete. Let's see this one. No, it's just a text box. Delete. And here's what I want, and it's that one. So to move it, use the selection tool and you can reposition it to a different location.